Well, good morning, and hello, my YouTube subscribers. This is Williams from Williams, Philippines, or William from Williams, Philippines. Sorry, I'm a little tired. I've been up all night and just got back from running around. Anyway, today is March 30th. Happy Easter for my Filipino viewers, all 7% of you. And yeah, because you're already at Easter Sunday. I hope you're having a good one there. Anyway, yeah, my plans got changed. Don't we love that happening? I ended up going, being there to when my boss showed up, and he gave me an old lawnmower. It's not old, actually, it's pretty damn new, and he says it's got a problem. It runs for about 5 minutes and stops. So I'm going to try to check and figure out if I can get it fixed. He gave it to me, and if I can, I'll use it until next year and then sell it off. It's actually a pretty nice one. So, yay, bonus. So now I have an extra lawnmower that needs work on. Nothing's easy. Anyway, and while I was talking to him, one of the girls that I came up there to give some food, I dropped her off a couple of bins, totes, with a bunch of food in both of them, and a bunch of beans and rice and all kinds of canned goods and such. Stuff that lasts forever, but you know. Anyway, I got up there, gave that to her, and my boss was there, and so I got the lawnmower, turned around, and was informed that there was a good deal on paint for exterior or interior paint. Well, that's one of the things I plan on doing with my house. And since the place is closed tomorrow, I had to go today. Because the sale ends tomorrow, and they're closed for, yeah, Easter weekend. Because, well, the sale ends on the 31st, but, yeah. And they got the sale ending on Easter Sunday, and, yeah. There's just some corporate, yeah, Home Pride. It's a good store, but they goofed on this one, putting out the sales dates. But that's okay, because it is what it is. But I did manage to get over there and buy one, get one free. And I've got black for a trim, 2 of them. That's going to be about 700, say 700, maybe 600, which should be plenty. But then I got just a flat white. Got 20 of these and 2 of those. So guess what? I'm going to be painting, I think, instead of doing the garage sales right away. Because I need to get this done, because the insurance people are having a crap fit about. And I'm honestly thinking, just screw the insurance, cover the amount I've got left on the house instead of having the rest. But it kind of worries me that, you know, crap always seems to happen, and I am a disaster magnet, and I don't know if I want to take the chance of not having full-blown coverage on my house. So I think I need to get my house painted so the insurance people will stop crying and gladly cover me. I've never seen anybody so damn crazy about having $2,000 thrown at them for a year's insurance and then act all stupid. Yeah. Anyway, it is what it is. And I've been going. I basically didn't fall asleep. I tried to fall asleep, but didn't until basically 5 o'clock yesterday afternoon. And then was up at 9:30 or 9:40. So 4.5 hours, less than 5 hours of sleep, and then work all night. And actually had to deal with a few customers and such, so I didn't get this thing out while I was at work like I normally do. So, hey, it is what it is. Friday nights can be that way sometimes, and that's okay. Because, well, this morning, after getting breakfast up and going, a couple of the guests came down. And they're a family from Germany. The man and wife and his brother and nephew and his daughter are all traipsing around Texas. And they were at the house. And I was talking to them about me retiring, and that one of the routes that I was thinking about taking was going through Frankfurt. And they said, well, if you're going to go through Frankfurt, you got to stop. And I told them I was thinking that would be an option, and that, I'd like to take and probably do it for about a week in Germany, because, well, my dad was there, and Germany is actually one of the places I would like to check out. And, yeah, the second part of that is a landing in Hamas or Hamad or something like that. Or was it Dubai? I don't remember. But anyway, that was one of the routes I was thinking about taking. And the other one was one that I found that would carry me over to Dublin, Ireland. Do a layover there for 5 days instead of the 7 like I was going to do in Germany. So, check out Irish. And then from there, take me to Istanbul. And that would have been another 5 days there. And then fly into, I think it was either Singapore or straight into Cebu. I forget which. But those were a couple of the options I was considering. And getting to talk to this family from Germany got me wanting to go to Germany. Problem is, there's so dang many flights involved in doing that. Part of me really just wants to get on one airplane in Dallas, transfer to another airplane in Seoul, and get off of it in Cebu. Same airline, no transfers other than from one of their planes to one of their planes, and it's all on that airline instead of, I think it was 2 different airlines going one way on that and 3 on the other route. I forget for sure which. Yeah, I'm just not sure. That's the hazard of trying to do Google flight searches and plan. Yeah, I'm getting a lot of ideas trying to get it all figured out. But, yeah. But yes, this family came in from Germany, and I got to talking to them, and I enjoyed the conversation. And they're going from here down to Paladera Canyon, which is about 30 miles to the south of me, and check it out. And that's a real pretty canyon. And then from there, they're going to go to Lubbock for tomorrow night or tonight. I'm not sure which. I forget. And then from there, they're going to another couple places. They're doing a grand tour of Texas. And, well, I hope they do enjoy Texas. I told them greetings and salutations from the Republic of Texas. Yeah. I'm a Texan. I admit it. But you know something about that a lot of folks don't really get. Texas and the Philippines actually have a lot in common. Both of us were occupied by Spain. Yeah, we have a lot of Hispanic or Spanish descent here in Texas. A lot of Catholic churches here in Texas. And the language for the Spanish and the Mexicans is pretty much, kind of in the ballpark and the same in some ways. So there's a lot of similarities in our Hispanic natives culture and Spain or Philippines. So yeah, we didn't get occupied as long as they did, but we did end up being occupied. That was one of the 6 flags that we were under. Family's been through that. Yeah. Anyway, it is what it is. And, well, like I say, the Philippines is pretty much, I'm going. I got another comment on, somebody says they're heading out this May. Boy, I'm a year behind them. I just can't wait to get there. Hopefully I'll get to meet you while we're over there and visit. It'd be nice. I don't mind visiting with people. Texans are friendly people. We're a little porcupine on some things, but we're pretty friendly people. Yeah, we just give you fair warning. Don't mess with Texas, and we mean it. But short of that, we're pretty much very friendly people. Yeah, don't go stupid on us. We won't go stupid on you. We're good at it. Anyway, I did manage to get more stuff done over there. Yes, I got that pretty much that whole bookcase emptied out. There's a couple of scraps left, and yeah, a few other things. And so I got the boxes emptied into a tote, so I have my shoe boxes back. I can put other stuff in there. And I got these 2 totes over to my coworker so she can empty them out of food, and I can get those in. I'm going to hopefully get those back by Thursday. We'll see. She might get them back to me tomorrow. We'll see. But if not, I'll try to rattle her cage and see if I can get them back Wednesday. So Wednesday or Thursday, so I can have time to actually pack up some of my computers and my radio equipment and carry it over to my club meeting on Saturday. And then maybe next week, actually try to do some prep work around the house to, scraping on things, pull my air compressor out and try to blow off the paint that's kind of peeled up a little. See if I can get it to peel off. And yeah. And no, I'm not going to worry about where the paint chips go. Sorry. I figure it like this. If somebody's stupid enough to come over here and eat paint chips, not my problem. But yeah, try to get a little bit of prep work so I can maybe next weekend, not my weekend, Wednesday, Thursday, but the next weekend, Wednesday, Thursday, basically a week and a half out, I can actually maybe paint part of it. We'll see. I don't know about you, but I'm tired. The only reason I'm still standing is because I got here. I'm trying to drink up a bottle of water before I try to lay down. And I wanted to get this out because, well, I figure we'll be busy again tonight. So get this out before midnight today. It's not as early as I would like to have, but life happens. Anyway, I'm William from Williams, Philippines. And, well, y'all have a good day. Later, blessings, bye-bye, happy Easter. And I'm Fish, and Fish is out. Later, blessings, bye-bye.